model, 2017 Mercedes Vito 111 1.6 ULEZ starts runs needs turbo repair 70k miles No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 70,530. MOT, the 3rd of January 2026. Engine, 1598 CCOM 622 114 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine and gearbox a fine straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average